You know, this your boy Malibu. One day me and my boy Tez, we was chilling, and talking about the song "On My Level" by Wiz Khalifa. Listening to it, I was like, yo, this beat kind of hot. So I decided to do a little freestyle to it. Tell me what y'all think. Yeah, going at this world, I'm on my own. Shut up, run this shit. Quarterback of the HUD, I make this game crazy, even a little insane. I flush him down the drain. I make him quit, there's no staying. But you hear the beat drumming while I got your girls coming. Big stay hard, even after coming. Fuck with us, you won't beat them. Play by the rules, don't cheat them. Yakety yak, that's all I hear. I hunt y'all down, y'all niggas dead. I shake y'all up like a can of beer. Friends close, but haters stay me. Fuck with my finger wheel, pull it. I spray you with some bullets. I lay your hair back like a mullet. You're like a retard, you're drooling. Fuck with the squad when we coolin'. Leave y'all cooked, no more moving. Walk anywhere, y'all crowd booing. Yeah, and when you talk, they doing. Don't give me that he said, she said. Cause in the end, it's he dead, she dead. I'm on my own level, my cloud don't have a number. Ask your girl, that's where she's from. But look at her face, that's my cucumber. Why you stuttering? Cause my words when you're cluttering, your mind starts shuddering. And before you end up silent, I want one hit send, it's the end.